Okay, some of you are asking to explain math method. See, math method is used to do mathematical operation. Okay, so their first one is pi. Okay, with respect to this, pi value is constant always. It is not varying. So I can use a const variable. Const pi. Pi is a variable name. Equals math dot pi. Just I have used that because pi value is constant and there is no need to pass any values there. So the value which is already there, constant value. With respect to that, we are going to do some operation. So here console.log pi. Okay, I have used this, just I have used the pi variable here. Okay, so now I will get the things, complete pi value. So it will be of some more decimal places, like more than 10 decimal places. So I don't want that much decimal place, so I just used two fixed value. See, okay, here these many decimal places are there. Okay, so I don't want these many decimal place. I want only two or three numbers. After this decimal point, I want two, three, four numbers. So I can write that numbers here. So accordingly, I will get the result. So next you have round method. Round is nothing but 4.5. If you pass the value after this decimal point, okay, if this value is more than 5, okay, it will go for the next number. If this value is less than 5, then it will go for the previous number. That is nothing but round. It will round up to the next value if the decimal place number is more than 5. It will round up to the previous value if it is less than 5. Okay. So next floor method is there. Okay. So how this floor works? Where b equals. So I'll take 4.8 log of math dot floor of b. What is my result, guys? Now, so the result is 4. It will just remove the previous. Sorry, it will just remove the decimal point. That will give you the round of point result. Okay, it will remove the decimal point and it will give you the round of value. So that is how floor works. Okay, so next minimum, like if you pass more values, so in that, what is the minimum value, so that you are going to get. Okay, so now I will pass var uh, any of the variables. So I'll take abc equals, I'll pass group of values. Okay, so math dot min of I should pass the values, more values, like some random values. 1986. Okay, these are the group of numbers. Now, in this, what is the minimum number? What is the minimum number? 2 is the minimum number. So here, see the last result? 2 is the minimum number. So I got minimum value. Okay. So in the same way, maximum value is also there. Max. That is where high is a variable name equals math dot max of just pass values. So these are the values I have passed. So next, hi dot, sorry, highest. Save this. Now what is the result? See properly. 9876 is a maximum value. 9876 is the maximum value. Okay. So next. No, you can't. This is just with numbers you can, not with arrays. Okay. Math and use power. Power is the next method. So now observe where power equals math dot of, I should pass two values. Okay, so 5 to the power 6. This is a number and this is the power of that. Okay, power is nothing but exponential form. So log power. What is the result? 5 to the power 6. What is the result? Five to the power 6, guys. $15,625 is the result. How this power is working? 5 to the power 6. That is, 5 should be multiplied 6 times. Okay, so 5 should be multiplied 6 times. This is nothing but 5 to the power 6. So this output is 15,625. So in this first argument place is to display the number. Okay, and this second argument place is the power of that. If I write 2 to the power 4, now what is the result? 2 to the power 4. 2 should be multiplied 4 times. 16. This is how power method works. Okay, so now do these things in your system. Min floor. Okay, so next. Next we have one method, last math method, that is random. Random. What do you mean by random? What do you mean by random? Random. English word random. Yes, uncertainly choosing something different. Okay, so that is, now observe random equals math dot random. Okay, so just I have declared random And now save this. See the output. See some random value I got here. Okay, let me comment these things. Everything is commented right. Okay. So next here, the every time in every execution the values are changing. Correct? In every execution the values are changing. This is nothing but the random values. Okay, so if you want to fix this random value, you can fix by using two fixed method. So to fix to 5 or 5 will be more 3. That is, so it will be fixed to 3 digits after the decimal point. See, again and again it will be changing random values. If you want a whole number, instead of the 0 points and all decimal places, if you want a whole excuse me, if you want a whole number, so multiply it with 100. Observe, every time in every execution it is changing. See, okay, so this is how random method works. Ma'am, what is the use of this? Where it is used? Okay, so in your OTP generation, guys, again and again you will get different random OTPs, right? So you can take that example. Okay, add this method in your system. Then and then random is nothing but okay. So anything, okay, random. So there, as soon as we execute this random method in our each and every execution, it is going to change the values. Yes, it is going to change the values. See, once I have executed, there I got 494 after decimal point. Then again I have executed there 085, then 396 like this. Okay, so random values we are getting in the output. So it is not fixed, it is varying. So if you want random values, okay, you can use random method. It's simply like that. And you can't guess the output. Here it is changing again and again. Got it? Then take a snap of this. And we have these many methods. Just try with apps, Ceil, Trunc, SqRoot, and tell me how those 4 methods works. ABS, this one, apps. I didn't explain this. I didn't explain this. I want you guys to tell me how it works. This, then this. Okay? Take a snap of this and do all these 4 methods and then tell me how it works. Numbers. So that is how math.apps method works. Okay. Math.ceil, how this works. Ceil, how Ceil works. Is greatest integer. How Trunc works. Okay, so apps, right? Okay, so now so how this apps method works. So where equals math.apps of -6. Okay, so now what is the result of this? We are using apps method and apps removes negative numbers and it will give the result in the positive number. 6. Okay, so it will remove the negatives and it will give you the result in the positive value. Next you have Ceil. How Ceil works? Spelling is correct, right? Ceil. Okay, Ceil. How Ceil works, guys? Max.Ceil. Returns the smallest integer greater than or equal to its numeric argument. Smallest integer 4.2. Okay. So now here B. This. Okay. Smallest integer, that is like 4.2, and if I write 4.8, it is going to give you the next number 5, and here if I write 0, 4. If I write 1, 5. Okay, so if you are going to write this integers 4.1 to 4.9, it is going to give the next value. That is how Ceil works. Okay. Next, Trunc. How Trunc works? Trunc. Anyone tried Trunc? Where C equals math dot trunc of 8.6 log of C. So whether it is more than 5 or less than 5, it will remove the complete decimal part and it will give you only the integer part. Okay, it will give the complete, it will remove the complete decimal part and it will give you only the integer part. So that is how Trunc works. Next, SqRoot. How SqRoot works? Difference between Ceil and Trunc. Ceil, if you pass 4.1, 4.2, it is going to give you the result of 5. You can see this example, 4.1 is there, but in the output 5 is the result. But trunc is not like that. It is not considering the decimal points. It is considering the only integer points. Square root now. Where yes equals where is equals math dot square root of. So 25 I will give. What is the result of this? 5. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 47 is what? It's not a perfect square number. 125. What is the square root of this? Then 36. Okay. So this is how square root works. So now almost we have completed all the math methods. If you don't get this, just do it in your system. Execute this. If you didn't execute. Okay. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can unmute yourself and you can ask. Difference between floor and trunk. Trunk, it will give you the integer value. Floor, it will also give you the integer value, right? So if it is more than 5, okay. Where e equals math dot floor. Greatest integer less than or equal to its numeric argument. Okay. Trunk, it has the integral part of the numeric expression, removing any fractional digits. Integer test result is x. Okay, it works like same, I think. Returns the integral part of the numeric element, removing fractional digits. Trunc will remove the fractional digits. Returns the greatest integer less than or equal to the numeric argument. Greatest integer part it will give you. Okay, the result is same, but trunc will remove the fractional part. Floor will give you the integer part. That is one and the same. Result will be one and the same. Okay, so anyone with doubts?
Hello.
Yes?
So in a random one, if we have to give all the whole numbers, it's possible.